Here, it's back to your channel, Super Ryan. Demo Derby in here. Who's the driver? Demo Derby. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Get out of your car here. Woo, woo, woo. So this is how it works. You put that down, you close this, you put cards in here, you come here, you put cards in there, in the bottom, and then you put 3 meal cards put up here, and then you're not ready to go. Now here's the cards. Order did it. Oh no, the boat crashed. You're not strong enough. I think I need the monster truck. The rhino line. Get out of here, my way, monster truck's box. Here comes the big one. Wait, I don't need a big one here. I press the button, okay? Oh!
Rhino-Mite, full-function radio control with all-wheel 4x4 mega nitrous power.
Now it's gonna go from the ramp pit there and launch that thing. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh no! It didn't fall down on the cars. Sure. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh no, he crashed like a baby. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, that was a cool one. Can you close it again? Stay away from us cars. Now we need to pour water in the cars because they have fire. Now we're going to close it. Ready? Oh no, the monster truck got stuck. Don't worry. I'm stuck. And please. My friends, thanks for watching my video. Goodbye. Wait. I live it. Bye-bye. Here. It's back to your channel, Super Ryan.